The overhead feeding machine moves slowly, pouring a constant stream of dry feed into the trough. The audio is dominated by the sounds of heavy machinery and automation. A loud, steady conveyor.
Temperature reading confirmed. Heart rate stable. Overall health assessment, green. Data archived. Scanning complete. Subject A12, status healthy. Approved for next stage.
Step 7. Sri Lankan elephants enter the primary treatment chamber.
This section is too thin for premium.
Agreed. So this one for industrial use.
In the 10th step, fully automated robots take control of the elephant hides on the conveyor line. Smart.
Step 12. Intensive cleaning of elephant hides. In this step, the hides continue through a series of large washing tanks.
In the 13th step, the cleaned elephant hides are placed into a large.
The hides slide down the metal surface and gently enter the rinsing bath, where any remaining chemicals are washed away.
The readings are stable, conductivity is perfect, and the hides are completely clean, ready for the next stage.
Check this section here, near the edge.
I see it looks like a minor water stain.
Let's increase the pressure slightly on the left nozzle.
Hides are flat and clean.
Ready for the main tanning drums.
In step 21, the laser scanning begins. As the hides move along the conveyor, the system measures thickness.
The wet elephant skins are stretched flat, while advanced cameras and scanners analyze every reflective surface.
Filtered hot air circulates evenly around every hide. Workers in yellow safety jackets adjust belt speed and temperature using digital control screens.
Let's check the flexibility on this one. It feels a bit stiff right here. The data confirms.
In the 26th step, inspected elephant hides are sorted by thickness and quality.
In the 29th step, finished elephant hides pass through a heavy roller softening machine.
In the 33rd step, elephant leather panels are cut into product components. Workers follow marked patterns.
The spray levels are holding steady, and the color saturation is flawless. We are cleared for batch processing.
In the 38th step, elephant leather receives a rich blue color coating. Spray nozzles apply in.
Step 40, buffing and polishing of elephant leather. In the 40th step, elephant leather hides are buffed using rotating polishing brushes.
Keep the pressure steady at 500 psi. Looks good, the pattern is sharp.
Controlled hot air and industrial fans stabilize the embossed elephant leather,
permanently fixing the design and locking in the color and texture.
Step 43, cooling and final conditioning of elephant leather. In the
44th step, each finished elephant leather hide receives an official identification stamp, ensuring full traceability of the product.
Step 55, preparing special coating for elephant leather products. In the 55th step, female East. In the 58th step, elephant leather pieces move through a fully automated dyeing system. Robotic grip.
Final check complete. The color saturation is excellent. Looks good. Let's move it to drying.
In this step, the freshly dyed leather undergoes a pressure-controlled rinse. The technicians carefully monitor the gauge. In the 66th step, all cut elephant leather parts are organized for assembly. Workers sort. The transfer is complete. Readouts are nominal. Confirmed. Ready for the next cycle.
Check the metrics for zone 3. We missed a few scraps.
Adjusting the trajectory now.
Looks good.
The transfer is complete. Readouts are nominal. Confirmed. Ready for the next cycle.
Welcome to Step 118. We are proud to present the culmination of our craftsmanship, the final luxury elephant leather collection.
Thank you for joining us behind the scenes. Subscribe now for more exclusive content from our factory.